Actually, let me start with our Q3 result. Actually, we had mixed result for Q3 of the fiscal year 2024. Our revenue was 582 billion Japanese yen, which is record high number for Nissin. So it's a very good news. And revenue grew by 6.1% year on year globally, as overall volume increased, while many food companies are struggling to maintain or increase volume. I think this is mainly thanks to so-called trading down activity of consumers under the current macroeconomic environment, because our products, Instant Noodles, are relatively affordable compared with other foods. That's why many investors are expecting us to grow more. But on the other hand, core operating profit of existing business declined by 7.4% year on year, mainly due to globally rising commodity costs and poor performance from U.S. business. We have made price hikes in many countries in Japan to cope with the increase in commodity costs, and we are taking measures to recover sales in the U.S. market so that we can achieve annual budget of 84.6 billion Japanese yen.
Right. And I want to understand a little bit more, Takashi, on your plans to boost top-line growth, revenue growth. Are you spending more on advertising as a percentage of sales? What is the strategy there? When you talk about how you really want to scale up demand, how are you planning on doing that? I think marketing and advertisement is key for our growth, because Nissin is very famous for making good advertisement and marketing. So that will work for both in Japan and US market. And at the same time, new products will be a key for our growth, because we have the advanced technology compared with other global peers. So I think by introducing new type of the products, we will be able to continue our growth going forward.
Takashi, I'm just wondering, as far as some of your markets are concerned, no doubt a big and very important one is China. I do see expanding sales in that particular country, but also there has been weak spending appetite there. Consumption, as you say, a sort of trading down type trend we've seen there has been hitting companies across the board. So how have you been looking at that particular market?
You mean in Japan or?
China, sorry.
China, right, yeah. China is, as you mentioned, has a very tough time due to the economic downturn. But I think it's a kind of full win for our business, because, as I mentioned, instant noodle is relatively affordable compared with other food products, even in China. So our volume has increased for our business in China for the past quarters. So we are making a significant good step towards the growth in China market.